Presenting our latest installation of a modern vertical slats sliding gate powered by a 24-volt motor for smooth, reliable operation. This gate design not only enhances security but also adds a stylish architectural element to the property. Notice the clean vertical slat layout, perfect for privacy while maintaining a contemporary look. Beneath the gate, we've constructed a high-quality concrete strip, ensuring a strong, even foundation for long-term durability and precise gate alignment. The combination of low-voltage automation and solid groundwork guarantees both energy efficiency and structural integrity. This setup is ideal for residential and light commercial use, bringing together function, form and convenience. Contact us now and get the best solution for your property.